Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with SharpSpring for lead scoring, complete guide step by step clearly. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the registration form with your details. Provide your email address and choose a secure password. Once you submit the form, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. After verification, log in to your newly created SharpSpring account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll see various options. Locate the lead scoring section in the dashboard menu. Click on lead scoring to access the feature. You'll see an overview of the lead scoring capabilities available to you. Review the available scoring criteria and set preferences based on your business needs. Customize your scoring rules according to your lead qualification criteria. Add or modify scoring criteria by clicking on the Ensure you save your changes before navigating away from this section. You can also set up notifications based on your scoring rules. To do this, go to the Notifications section in the same menu. Define alert conditions that would trigger when a lead reaches a specific score. Save your notification settings to ensure you receive timely updates. Once everything is set up, monitor your leads regularly in the dashboard. Evaluate the effectiveness of your scoring system through the analytics provided. Adjust your criteria and settings as needed based on your results. This will help you refine your lead scoring process for better conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.